Buster kept me out of jail. Oh yeah. Wax the roof, the hood, and then this side of the car, but not the other side of the car.
Everybody's thinking about painting their cars this color. Leave a comment. What do you think?
FC.
The FC would look really good that color.
So 90s.
I'm a little afraid to paint the Skyline that
FC. Color. No. Skyline needs to be blue.
How's it going under there, dude?
Well, I got the plate on. I'm putting the little bolty guys for the rear main seal in there now.
So Jed's doing a clutch on the E46. The last time we went to Villains, this thing, it died on its way to go get some food. They got stranded on the side of the road. Oh, they were getting tea, dude. They were getting some yerbs. The clutch is was totally shredded inside of the bell housing. So, new clutch time for Jed.
So I will be seeing Jed at the event.
No, I have no dollars. I have $5.
Should I have, that's more dollars than I have right now.
Well, that's good.
James, what are you working on?
I'm putting in gangster speakers in my car.
Speakers. Music. Yeah, dude, you got the fucking head unit.
Yep.
I got the speakers to match.
Head unit with stock speakers. My priorities are very squared.
I don't know, your priorities seem okay to me, man.
I just wanted the Apple CarPlay.
Dude, that's like, dude, now that Abby has Apple CarPlay in her car,
Dude,
I like the next
essential.
time I get a head unit,
Yeah.
it's to have Apple CarPlay. It's the shit.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Apple CarPlay is the best. All right, so the jet ski is. Go over here. So the jet ski's all primed. It needs to be sanded before we paint it, but it came out quite a bit better than I expected, honestly. This thing was really, really rough when Chip brought it to me. To have it come out as good as it is with just a couple of layers of primer, really, really stoked. I am gonna go around this and do a little bit of glaze coat in a couple of low spots. Most of it will probably get sanded out, but there are a few little tiny pinholes in places where I did some fiberglass repairs that I want to make sure get filled. How do you feel about the primer?
Same way. It's surprising. It came out better than I expected. I mean, you did a good job on the body work, but usually when you do a lot of fiberglass work, you get a bunch of pinholes and a lot of crap that you didn't see when you're working on it, and it's not too bad.
Yeah. Also, me and Samsquanch got pretty lucky with the footwell because the mats that go here used to be held on with silicone, and paint doesn't stick to silicone ever, and silicone's also super hard to get off of a surface once it's on there. So somehow Samsquanch was able to get all of it off, and it's pretty damn good.
Lots of chemical, lots of abrasive, and I still didn't expect it to work, but somehow we got lucky and it was all gone because the paint stuck, and that's how you know.
James, what are you doing?
I need the Big John for the Tesla motor.
What are you torquing?
He's torquing his spark plugs, dude. Gotta make sure they're good to go.
The used ones. The used spark plugs.
Yeah, these are used spark plugs going into.
So I use these for like a couple days, and then I put new plugs in because I was putting my car on the dyno, and then these have just sat for when I was procrastinating too heavy to order spark plugs. There's like I couldn't get any more before the weekend, so.
Oh my God. These are your old ones?
Yeah.
Did you look at these? I've never seen used spark plugs that look so perfect. Oh my God, there is nothing wrong with this engine at all. It is literally perfect.
mprocal.com, get yourself.
Look at
What's your
that.
plug at?
there you go, the pizza.
Michael just put the servo ones he got like a week or two ago on the E36. We showed him in the last video, but they look really, really good. Look at that, dude. Stoked?
They feel good. They feel real good. I am just trying to think of how I'm going to get this car in and out of the air easily.
Yeah, it's really low, mate.
Yeah, I mean, like, because he's wood stuff. It's going to be good, though, that's for sure. I don't know. I can't tell right now if it's, like, super raky or not.
Nah, dude, this is good. For a BMW, this is like, there's not a lot of rake.
Yeah.
BMWs, it's got a little bit, like a hair.
Yeah, and I mean, I can always raise the front a little bit, too. I'm tapped out in the rear, but...
Yeah, dude, lift the front a little bit, and you'll be spiffy. Because the front's lower than the back.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Fuck yeah, dude. That looks sick.
Stoked on that.
Congrats.
Thanks.
In the micro paint booth, Samsquanch and I have been sanding the jet ski, and it's just about ready to be sprayed.
I think so.
Alright.
I'm scared. Always.
Yeah, understandably. We're always nervous painting stuff. Or Samsquanch is always the one painting, but I think we share the nerve a little bit. He definitely gets the bulk of it though.
Okay. You should probably go because I'm going to fill the shop with poison.
Good luck. Thank you.
I'm so excited to get this done.
Me too.
And then I'm going to sleep a lot.
All right, so it's the following day. We came back to the shop. Samsquanch is now painting the jet ski. Last night we went home to take care of the dogs and didn't come back. So it's getting done now. Me and Jed are finishing the clutch on his car. We just got everything bled, and now Jed's putting in the last driveline bits.
Yeah, putting her on there. Gotta get the damn thing going to the wheels and stuff. But, hang on. I'm almost there. We gotta go get coffee. That's all we're doing this for, is for coffee.
Yes.
Just coffee and Hershey's chocolate.
Samsquanch made himself a coffee because he's coming to paint the jet ski, and he left it on the counter.
It's a sad tale. Many times have we've all been there. I'm sure you can understand the pain. And Samsquanch is doing quite the deed over there, so...
Yeah, he is, dude.
He's being a man. He's many sleepless nights. I don't think... You don't ever talk about how many... Well, I guess you do, kind of.
Yeah,
Samsquanch does way too much.
Yeah. We don't talk enough about how much Samsquanch does.
Samsquanch, we gotta do something special for Samsquanch one of these days, dude.
Dude,
Something real nice. Something for Samsquanch? Well, he can't know. He can't put it in the video.
That's why I said something.
But now he's gonna know something's coming, dude. We're gonna put that...
Fuck it, dude. It's gonna kill him that he knows.
That's
but
true.
he doesn't know.
That is a good point. Alright,
Gotcha, Samsquanch.
I don't know why this thing won't go any farther forward. It doesn't want to go in the hole. Ready? I'm gonna dink it right on my dome piece. Oh, you go in the hole. Dude, BMW is very about inserting things into holes, dude. Everything's got a special little spot for it. A nice, warm little... Nice... Fuck. Oh, there it goes. It just went in. Sorry, this is a big moment. Okay.
What are you doing in there?
Nothing.
Oh. Alright, I know I showed you guys all this stuff yesterday, but now it's been, I assume it's been wiped down. It looks wiped down.
It's not white. Well, we wiped it down yesterday, but mostly I was just getting all the shit ready. Because once I start, I can't stop. And like this was, these were blowing all over the place.
Nice.
So now they'll probably still blow all over the place, but at least it's fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, got little gun hangers and shit because this is scary. Working in this tiny space, and I got a mix right here, and this thing was about to fall off, so I had to fix that. And there's a lot to think about. Here's my list. That's all. Just like 3 simple steps.
Yeah, it's just a simple respray, dude.
Right. Easy.
Bam! Just like that. Clutch is in, car is ready to rumble.
I mean, I guess technically the clutch works because it started the car.
Yeah, we
So-
just jump started the car from there to here. You can see the little skirt.
Push start.
That's pretty good, dude. How do you feel?
I feel good. I totally procrastinated doing that for very long for some reason. Well, I guess not some reason.
There were money things.
Yeah, there's money things, new job. It was kind of the end of the season, so I kind of felt like, oh, I don't really need to get this done right now. But I'm glad I did. It's all done. That's a weight kind of lifted off because that means that all I gotta work on is that. So, also Michael's car fucking looks so sick.
Yeah, dude. Michael's getting a little spiffy, man.
It's actually gonna work.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, oh man, it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited.
Hit the flashy lights, Jed. Hit the flashy lights. Ah! Yeah, they're part of the team.
It's getting freaky in the funk shack down underneath the tarp, dude. What are we doing?